The produced paper enters the melamine impregnation tank through a conveyor belt. Inside the tank, the paper comes into contact with melamine resin and undergoes processes such as impregnation, penetration, drying, re-impregnation, and drying again. These processes allow the paper to absorb and fix the melamine resin, which then cures and forms a durable surface. Finally, the dried and cured paper is cut and packaged. It is cut into the desired size and shape according to specific requirements and then packaged for transportation and use. Quality control is of utmost importance throughout the entire production process, with strict testing and environmental protection measures in place to ensure product quality and safety. The melamine impregnated paper production line consists of the equipment and processes used to manufacture melamine impregnated paper. This type of paper is commonly used in home furnishings such as furniture, flooring, kitchen cabinets, and other household building materials.